I do expect that we will hit an half century soon, and I'm expecting more people to join in. But given that others have joined on time, we shall start our webinar. So, a very good evening, everybody. I am Vikas over here, Chief Business Officer of Prabhudas Leeladhar Franchisee Business. And I'm very, very happy and excited to introduce Tanu over here from Bridgeweave. She's an IIM Ahmedabad MBA and has had 11 years of experience as an investment banker at HSBC. Currently, she is heading as Chief of Business Strategy at Bridgeweave and will take us through Wealth Bridge products which have been newly launched at Prabhudas Leeladhar, right, on our mobile app platform. This is a very exciting do-it-yourself product, friends. And you can, after this session, and while she's talking also, any queries you can put in the chat box. After she's done with her presentation, we will answer each and every question. फ्रेंड्स जिन लोगों को हिंदी हिंदी समझ में आती है, मैं उनके लिए बोल देता हूँ कि हमारे साथ तनु जी हैं, जो कि ब्रिज वीव की चीफ बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजी है। वो हमें वेल्थ ब्रिज के प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताएगी, जो हमारे मोबाइल ऐप के द्वारा आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। और आपके कोई भी सवाल हो वो आप चैट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिएगा। आफ्टर ये सेशन उनका ख़त्म होगा तो हम एक एक सवाल का जवाब देंगे। तनु, प्लीज, ऑल योर्स।
Thank you so much, Vikas, for the introduction. And hi, everyone at Prabhudas Leeladhar. It's always a pleasure and delighted to be here talking to all of you. I'm happy to speak in English or Hindi, whatever the group is comfortable with. So if everyone can tell me chat box mein ki what is the comfort level, English or Hindi, I'm happy to follow either. So this is about Wealth Bridge, which we launched with Prabhudas Leeladhar about two months back. Now, what is Wealth Bridge? Wealth Bridge, as you know, we call it. It's a DIY platform, do-it-yourself platform for your investing needs and goals. What does it do? It's a DIY platform, digital-only platform for everything related to equity basket investing. And who are we? We are Team Bridgeweave, or Investor AI as I call it. Some of you may already know us through Alpha Insights. So we are the company that powers Alpha Insights. Along with Alpha Insights, we've come out with a new product, which is Wealth Bridge, which is a digital-only DIY platform for equity basket investing. I will quickly walk you through a presentation as well as to what it does and what makes Wealth Bridge so special. So Wealth Bridge is for all customers of Prabhudas Leeladhar. And what you can do is you can actually use your PL Digitrade app. So you can go to PL website, or you can log into Wealth Bridge under the product section using your credentials of PL Digitrade app, or you can actually go into the Digitrade app and click on Wealth Bridge. You'll see it somewhere in the home screen itself. You can click on Wealth Bridge and you can enter the platform. Now, I mean, a lot of people over the years have told us ki, while the stock market has been doing great, it's created wealth for people in 3 years, 5-year horizon, but it's also very complex, right? It's very difficult for someone with a full-time job who's anyway working a 9-to-5 job to figure out where to kind of, put money. All of us are so busy in our lives that we never have the time to actually research and see which stocks have the potential of making good returns, in your investment horizon. And even if you do, go through, create a portfolio of your own, it's very hard to keep monitoring the portfolio and calculating returns and seeing when you want to invest into new things. So this is where Wealth Bridge really comes in. Wealth Bridge is a platform which allows you to invest in equity baskets. It is designed for Prabhudas Leeladhar only. And right now, you will only see Investor AI baskets on Wealth Bridge. So now what are the features of Wealth Bridge? So it enables one-click basket investing. आपने एक बार basket लिया, subscribe किया, आपको जो हमने stock recommendations दिए आपने buy किए, उसके बाद जब rebalance आएगा, maybe that could be 15 days later, 30 days later, or 2 months later, you just have to go click on pending rebalances, rebalance your portfolio in one click. जितने भी पुराने स्टॉक्स हैं वो वेल्थ ब्रिज प्लेटफॉर्म से बिक जाएंगे और नए स्टॉक्स वो खरीद लेगा. So fully one-click system. You don't have to worry any longer about कि जो stocks में मैंने पहले invest किया था, are they the flavor of the season? Should I buy something else? Because we do all of that for you. We tell you which stocks to buy, and our baskets actually rebalance at regular intervals. I'll actually walk you through a quick video of how WealthBridge works. And after the video, I'll show you what are the different kind of baskets we have on WealthBridge, and post that we will take questions, if any. So let me just start with the video. Please tell me if you can hear sound or not.
No, there is no sound.
Sorry, you're not able to hear any sound?
Yeah, there is no sound.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Or you may speak whilst the screen moves to save paucity of time and take questions.
Yes. Let me just 1 minute. I will just. Yeah, why don't I kind of give you a quick voiceover? That'll be much easier. So you can log into PL Digitrade app and click on WealthBridge. Once you kind of see, you will see four kind of, on our home screen, you will see four modules. When you click on the explore module, it will show you three kind of baskets which are available: Equity Rocket, Sector Navigator, and Hidden Gems. In each of those three baskets on the explore tab, you can actually click on details, the red, what we've highlighted under a red box. If you click on details, it will kind of, give you an overview of, let me show you through this. Once you click on details, it actually gives you an overview of what that basket is, how many stocks are there in the basket, what is the sectoral split, how has been the performance of the basket over the last, 6 months, 12 months, a little bit about the manager, and a little bit about the methodology, investment methodology. And at the bottom of the page, there's a button to subscribe. Once you subscribe and pay, you come to what we call as an invest page. So on this invest page, you can enter the amount that you want to invest. It will then show you a list of stocks. You can click on this get prices button at the bottom. It'll show you the prices, and you just have to click on invest. Once you click on invest, all your orders will go through. And you've successfully invested in a basket. Now, at the time of rebalance, when you go back to the homepage, firstly, we will send you a notification. Every time there's a rebalance, you will receive a WhatsApp message saying your manager has uploaded a rebalance and your basket is now ready. Please log into your Digitrade app and rebalance your basket. So that's something that we will kind of tell you. And whenever we send you a message to rebalance, you just have to open your Digitrade app, go to WealthBridge, click on the rebalance button. You'll be able to see which basket is pending rebalance. Click on that basket, and you'll be quickly able to rebalance your basket as well. So it's a very seamless one-click journey that you can follow on the Digitrade app. So what I will do is, Vikas, I will quickly run through what baskets also are there, and then, we can take all the questions at the end.
Yes.
Yeah. So there are three kind of baskets available on the WealthBridge platform right now. The first basket is Equity Rocket. This is a momentum basket. Now, what do I mean by a momentum basket? So this basket basically picks stocks which are the highest likelihood of going up in the next 2 weeks. This is a basket of 10 stocks. It rebalances every 2 weeks. तो हर 2 हफ्ते में हम आपको बताएंगे कि कौन से नए स्टॉक्स हैं जो आप खरीद सकते हैं और आपको पुराने स्टॉक्स बेचने होंगे. ये बास्केट 31st Jan 2022 से लाइव है. So it has more than 2.5 years of track record. And you can see on this chart here that in the last 12 months, it's given 75% returns. And in the last 1 month also, where the market has been very volatile, the basket, the portfolio has gone down, but it has gone down by lesser value. So Nifty 500 went down by 6.5%, but this basket only went down by 5%. So, and in the last 12 months has done phenomenally well. So this is our momentum basket. Another basket that we have is what we call as a sector navigator. So again, in this basket, what we do is we try to play on sector upcycles. So we pick, it's a basket of 12 stocks, and we tend to pick stocks which have the highest likelihood to go to outperform the benchmark in the next 2 months. Now, how do we pick these stocks which are the highest likelihood of going up? So what we do is our AI model actually kind of, divides the universe into various sectors. We pick certain sectors which we think will benefit in the next 2 months. And in each of those sectors, we pick two to three stocks each and create this basket of stocks. This portfolio has also been live for more than 2 years. It went live first in November 2022. So 2 years of solid track record is there. This basket has actually given us 63% returns in the last 12 months. Again, in the last 1 month, even though the market's been very volatile, it's done better than the index. Again, it's down by only 5%, where we've seen, index have huge drawdowns in that time period. Similarly, if you look at hidden gems, now hidden gems is a value-based basket. This is a basket of 10 stocks where we try to pick stocks which are undervalued right now. So what we do is we look at the PE ratio of the universe, and then we only pick stocks, which are below a certain threshold and are kind of likely to go up in the next 1 month. This basket rebalances every 1 month, and it has given returns of about 37% in the last 1 year. As you know, the markets have been where they have been since 1st of October. This portfolio has seen higher drawdown in the last few months, but it's actually done quite well before that. Now, one of the things that we always tell people in WealthBridge is that the minimum investment amount for most of our baskets is 2 lakh rupees. Please do choose the right amount. Please invest 2 lakhs, more than 2 lakhs. Always take a long-term view. If you take a 1 month, 15-day, 3-month view, there is a chance that the basket may not give you the right returns, but you have to think of it from a 1 year perspective. In 1 year, all of our baskets have performed very well. The third thing is to always rebalance regularly. So for each of our baskets, there is a set frequency of rebalance. It's either 2 weeks, 4 weeks, or 8 weeks. Whenever there is a rebalance, we will give you a notification. We will tell you that your basket is ready for a rebalance. Please log into WealthBridge and rebalance your basket. Your returns will look good only when you stay very close to our model portfolio or our recommendations that we give. So please do rebalance on time. Do not miss your rebalances. And the fourth thing is that, look, as you know, in any equity investing, there are volatile periods. There are volatile times like what we are seeing in the last 5 weeks as well. There will be times when your portfolio will show, negative returns. It will go down. There'll be some drawdown. And there could be some rebalances where you may have to book losses, but please do, sell at that time and buy our new recommendations, because there could be losses in 1 or 2 rebalances. But if you stay invested for 1 year, you please rest assured that the portfolios give good returns. Sorry. So with that, I'll kind of end my, monologue here and open the floor for questions.
Okay, so there is one question that's come is, without subscription, can CLT see the past rebalance stock?
No.
Client means without subscription, can client see the past rebalance stock is the question.
No. And you will be able to see only upcoming rebalances. You cannot see past rebalances even with a subscription.
Means you need to subscribe.
Yes.
There is no trial period or something like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now Lokesh Joshi is asking a question that is fundamental question of how to use PL app. So could you share the link where it is in the PL app?
Yeah, Abdul, I think will be able to help this. I can kind of tell you
No,
where it.
I'll take that. Lokesh ji, once you log in the PL mobile app, on the once you log in, it's there. The Wealth Bridge option is there on the screen. So as soon as you click the Wealth Bridge option, you will see the 4 products, and then you can subscribe to that. It's pretty easy. And अगर आपको फिर भी नहीं मिलता है, तो you can reach out to PL BD team. We will help you. Subscription charge. Yeah, so Ashna has also put the login, but you can do that. Subscription charge. Tanu, you want to
Yes.
take?
Yes. तो डिफरेंट सब्सक्रिप्शन चार्जेस हैं सेक्टर नेविगेटर और ट्रेलब्लेजर का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्राइस इज 10,000 प्लस जीएसटी फॉर 12 मंथ्स एंड फॉर हिडन जेम्स इट्स 5,500 प्लस जीएसटी फॉर 12 मंथ्स. तो आप एक बार वेल्थ ब्रिज प्लेटफॉर्म पे लॉग इन करेंगे तो आपको सारे प्राइस सब कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म पे दिखेगा. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल इंट्यूटिव प्लेटफॉर्म टू यूज, सो प्लीज लॉग इन एंड एक्सप्लोर.
Plus GST per annum. Okay. And as a partner, we are passing back 25% of that to you of what we collect. Okay. As a partner head, I'm making this announcement over here. 10K plus GST per annum, and it is 5,500 plus GST per annum for hidden gems only. The equity rocket and sector navigator are for 10,000. There's one question which is put over here by Biswaji, that can sub-broker do rebalance on behalf of client? Tanu, you want to take that question?
यस नहीं देखिए ये बिल्कुल DIY प्लेटफॉर्म है, आपको खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. तो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज कि क्लाइंट को खुद ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके अपना रीबैलेंस करना पड़ेगा. बट विकास, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स वी हैव डन इज, एंड आई थिंक ये PL टीम विल बी एबल टू आंसर, वी हैव आल्सो कम आउट विद अ डीलर मॉड्यूल वेयर डीलर कैन डू इट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ क्लाइंट्स.
The dealer would be central dealer, or it is the sub-broker himself?
सेंट्रल डीलर.
Is it launched?
I think it's in the process of getting launched in the next 1 week or so.
Okay, तो बिस्वाजी आंसर ये है कि और मतलब नॉर्मली तो क्लाइंट को खुद ही लॉग इन करके करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज उसको व्हाट्सएप का नोटिफिकेशन आएगा. बट अभी एक हफ्ते में हम लोग हेड ऑफिस को ये राइट्स देंगे कि वो भी कर सकता है क्लाइंट के बिहाफ पे, उसका परमिशन लेके. So I hope that answers the question.
एंड हम एक काम और भी कर सकते हैं कि हम लोग जब भी कोई रीबैलेंस आता है तो हम एक क्रिएटिव शेयर करते हैं टीम के साथ, PL टीम के साथ. तो PL टीम सब ब्रोकर्स को सेंड कर सकती है वो क्रिएटिव. तो आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को रिमाइंड कर सकते हैं कि आपका रीबैलेंस आने वाला है, मंडे को रीबैलेंस आएगा, प्लीज रीबैलेंस कर लीजिए. तो हम आपको रिमाइंडर भेज सकते हैं.
विश्वाजी, आपने बोला अपार्ट फ्रॉम फी ब्रोकरेज व्हाट विल बी चार्ज, तो नथिंग विल बी चार्ज अपार्ट फ्रॉम फी एंड ब्रोकरेज. ओके, दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन. Tanu, can you just give some clarity that whatever commissions that you collect as advisory fees and what you pass back, what is the TAT of that? Is it 45 days?
Yes.
Okay. So, Rajni, to answer your question, there's a 45-day TAT, and if there's any delay beyond that, so roughly you can say that we would pay out to our partners in 2 months. Okay. So if there's any delay beyond that, please escalate it separately to me. I will take it up.
Yeah, and उसमें I think
डिजिटल
एक
मार्केटिंग के
clarification-
लिए मटेरियल है. Yes, of course है. So, Tanu, if you can show on your slide, how do you present the different baskets
बिल्कुल.
performances? Yeah.
हाँ. तो ये जो मैं आपको अभी दिखा रही हूँ ये आप क्लाइंट्स के साथ शेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम आपको एक 1 पेज इंफॉर्मेशन डॉकेट बना के भेज सकते हैं अलग अलग बास्केट्स का, जो आप क्लाइंट्स के साथ शेयर भी कर पाएंगे.
This one performance I can't share. This one.
नहीं, दिस इज नॉट फॉर सर्कुलेशन टू एक्सटर्नल क्लाइंट्स.
And what is the reason for that?
It's not allowed as per SEBI regulations, because.
Okay.
बट अगर आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के लिए कुछ भी मटेरियल्स चाहिए तो हम आपको फैक्ट शीट्स भेज सकते हैं, जो आप क्लाइंट के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। आशना हर महीने, हर फर्स्ट वीक में वो फैक्ट शीट्स अपडेट करके पीएल टीम के साथ शेयर करती है। विकास, अगर कोई ग्रुप है ऐसा वेयर यू कैन ऐड अस, हम डायरेक्टली भी थोड़ा कंटेंट शेयर कर पाएंगे।
So we are working towards that of building a partner community. So
ओके,
as of now, we'll have to go with the email concept.
ठीक है।
What can be shared and whatever is can be uploaded on the mobile app itself. So that also could be a good solution.
ओके,
The other part is बिस्वा जी, आप पूछ रहे हो ब्रोकरेज क्या चार्ज करना है, दैट इज टोटली अप टू यू। आपको जो क्लाइंट को ब्रोकरेज चार्ज करना है वो आप चार्ज कीजिए। आपका जो भी शेयरिंग रेशियो होगा उसके हिसाब से आपको कमीशन मिलेगा। लोकेश जी, आपने पूछा फ्रेंचाइजी को कैसा मिलेगा, तो आपको ये जो भी कमीशन जो जनरेट हो रहा है वो 2-2 महीने में आपको इनवॉइस बना के देना है। आप अपने रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर या पीएलबीडी से संपर्क करें, वो आपको बताएंगे इसको कैसे क्लेम करना है। डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आई ऑलरेडी सेड दैट। मार्केटिंग मटेरियल जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि ये लोग हमें फैक्ट शीट देंगे, वो हम आप सबको सर्कुलेट कर देंगे सब ब्रोकर के ईमेल आईडी पे, या आपके रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर के थ्रू भी आपको मिल जाएगा। और नहीं मिला तो आप मुझे मेल कर दीजिएगा, मैं आपको फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा। दर्शना जी, ये क्वेश्चन आप पूछ रहे थे कि मोस्ट क्लाइंट्स आर नॉट रिसीविंग नोटिफिकेशंस फॉर रीबैलेंसिंग। तनु, यू वांट टू टेक दैट?
बिल्कुल। तो ये दर्शना जी, आप सही कह रहे हैं। आई थिंक पिछले हफ्ते तक क्लाइंट्स को रीबैलेंस का नोटिफिकेशन नहीं जा रहा था, लेकिन अभी हमने नया फीचर लॉन्च कर दिया है। अब से जो भी रीबैलेंस आएगा उसका क्लाइंट्स को व्हाट्सएप पे एक नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा जिस दिन रीबैलेंस होगा। और सिर्फ रीबैलेंस का नोटिफिकेशन नहीं जाएगा, जब भी कोई क्लाइंट बास्केट को सब्सक्राइब करेगा तो उनको एक सक्सेस मैसेज भी जाएगा सेइंग कि आपने इस बास्केट को सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है। देन फिर जब रीबैलेंस होगा, हर रीबैलेंस पे एक नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा जिस दिन मैनेजर रीबैलेंस अपलोड करेगा, और उसके 2 दिन बाद तक रिमाइंडर्स भी जाएंगे अगर क्लाइंट ने रीबैलेंस नहीं किया तो।
ये फ्रेंड्स, ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ये टोटली एआई ड्रिवन है। जो स्टॉक्स जो आएंगे वो एआई पिक कर रहा है, और इनका सक्सेस रेट्स बहुत ही हाई है, जैसे उन्होंने बताया, टू द ट्यून ऑफ 70 to 80%। इनफैक्ट मार्केट्स 2 महीने में काफी वॉलेटाइल रहा है, वरना 2 महीने पहले तो इनके सक्सेस रेशियोज वर ऑल अबाउ 80%। सो द मिनिमम टिकट साइज is 2 lakh rupees per product, which the customer has to keep in his ledger account, and he has to only subscribe to the advisory fees once a year, and then the notifications will come for the entire year as per the frequency. So now there's a question that will the sub broker get the notification of the rebalance for his customers? This is a very important question, Tanu.
नहीं, तो अभी ऐसा सिस्टम नहीं है जहां पे हम सब ब्रोकर को नोटिफिकेशन भेज पाए। तो वही मैं बोल रही थी कि हम एक जेनेरिक नोटिफिकेशन भेज सकते हैं कि कोई भी रीबैलेंस आने के पहले, जैसे मंडे को अगर मान लीजिए इक्विटी रॉकेट का रीबैलेंस है, तो हम आपको फ्राइडे को एक व्हाट्सएप क्रिएटिव भेजेंगे सेइंग कि रिमाइंडर, मंडे को एक रीबैलेंस आने वाला है। तो आपके जितने भी कस्टमर्स हैं आप उनको रिमाइंड करा सकते हैं कि मंडे को इक्विटी रॉकेट का रीबैलेंस आएगा। बट अभी हम स्पेसिफिकली टैग करके नहीं भेज पा रहे हैं कि ये वाला बास्केट इस सब ब्रोकर के क्लाइंट के पास है, तो उनको वो रिमाइंडर भेजें।
So the answer is, Sudeep, that there are two parts now to this answer. That in 1 week's time, the head office dealer will be in a position to get the rebalance, exactly what the rebalance, and do it for the client after his permission. The second is that we can start, like you have your quarterly settlement notifications. We will have that kind of a notification alert that there is a rebalance happening, and so you can sensitize the client, or the the sub broker can get it through the client, because the client will get the WhatsApp. Mohit, that answers your questions also. इसमें एक बहुत इंटरेस्ट, या विश्वा जी, एनी अदर ब्रोकरेज हाउस प्रोवाइड दिस टाइप ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट? आई लाइक टू टेक दिस क्वेश्चन, तनु। देयर इज नो अदर ब्रोकिंग हाउस दैट प्रोवाइड दिस काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट. Only we are providing this kind of a product, and you should take the first mover advantage of that. typically, the two products which are available on the AI platform, on the WealthBridge platforms, are unique and not available anywhere. One is the equity rocket product, which will give you trading ideas which are supposed to be momentum stocks and supposed to move fast in the next 15 days. It's a rebalance of 15 days. तो एक तरफ आपका ट्रेडिंग भी होगा और दूसरी तरफ क्लाइंट का वेल्थ जनरेशन भी होगा. And दूसरा है सेक्टर नेविगेटर, which is an excellent product. I don't see any mutual fund or anybody giving this sector navigator product where which sectors you need to be will be picked by the AI. तो आपको ये products आप study कर सकते हैं and you can pitch it to customers who don't want to invest a big ticket. lakh rupees से भी you can start. Yes. Tanu, you want to take this question? सब्सक्रिप्शन 3 प्रोडक्ट का अलग अलग से लेना होगा.
हाँ, तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन अलग अलग होगा. आपको तीनों बास्केट का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्राइस अलग अलग से लेना पड़ेगा.
किसी को कोई और सवाल है तो जल्दी से पूछ सकते हो. अच्छा, व्हाट्स द प्राइस?
प्राइस लाइक आई सेड 10,000 रुपी एनुअल सब्सक्रिप्शन प्राइस है इक्विटी रॉकेट एंड सेक्टर नेविगेटर का, और हिडन जेम्स का है 5,500 एक साल के लिए.
Can shares be pledged instead of money? So, Biswaji, I'll take that question. See, if you pledge the shares, yes, you will get the limit to purchase, but ultimately, this is all delivery based trades which are rebalanced in a minimum 15-day time period. So, you have to ultimately pay for those shares. तो आप मार्जिन करके लिमिट ले सकते हैं प्लेज के सामने, बट अल्टीमेटली आपको T+1 डे पे पूरा पैसा चुकाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि डिलीवरी वाला प्रोडक्ट है. इसमें हर 15 दिन में रीबैलेंस होता है. जो सबसे ज्यादा रीबैलेंस होता है वो जल्दी रीबैलेंस होता है वो. तो अल्टीमेटली आपको कैश का जरूरत लगेगा. आई होप मैंने आपको आंसर दे दिया इसका. In times when you are in doubt, when the markets are volatile, leave it to the machine and the technology to give you the best of the stocks. So I would recommend each one of you to look for this product in our PL mobile app, test it out. The investment amount is not too much. 2-2 लाख रुपया कोई बड़ी अमाउंट होती नहीं है. और अगर किसी कस्टमर को 70-80%, अगर किसी कस्टमर को 25-30% भी मिल गया तो भी उसको बहुत बढ़िया रिटर्न है. राकेश जी, आपने पूछा अगर कोई क्लाइंट इसको परचेस करता है तो हमें इसमें क्या बेनिफिट है. तो आपको 2 बेनिफिट है सर. जो भी ट्रेड का जो ब्रोकरेज होता है उसकी इनकम, एंड सेकेंडली एडवाइजरी फीस का 25% वापस मिलता है. कस्टमर को बेनिफिट ये है कि उसके पोर्टफोलियो को एक डाइवर्सिफाइड पोर्टफोलियो, एआई जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बोलते हैं उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू स्टॉक मिलते हैं. और वहां पे उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ मेकिंग मोर रिटर्न्स इज मच मच हायर. जो हमने दिखाया स्लाइड में कि लास्ट 12 महीने में, लास्ट 6 महीने में, लास्ट 3 महीने में यहाँ पे काफी अच्छा रिटर्न कस्टमर को मिल सकता है. तो कस्टमर अगर पैसा बनाएगा तो आपको और पैसा वो देगा इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. ये आपका बेनिफिट है. Can also do specific sessions for your customers in case anybody has a group of customers and want the Bridgeweave team to do a session for your clients online offline. हम लोग कर सकते हैं, अरेंज कर सकते हैं, and the Bridgeweave team will be happy to help. And as they are helping us, उसमें काफी benefits दिख रहा है हम लोगों को, काफी पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है क्लाइंटों का. In case you have any further questions and you have not asked right now, you can write us to plbd@plindia.com and we will reply to every question. that you may have not asked right now. Tanu, thank you for your time. I think it was a very nice quick session. Yes, बिश्वा जी, आप we can always do that. तो आप अपने अकाउंट मैनेजर के थ्रू हमें बोलिए. यस, एक ही सिंपली क्लिक से हो जाएगा एंट्री और एग्जिट, क्योंकि उसमें आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा. आपको उसको ओके बोलना है. पैसा अगर लेजर में रहा तो हो जाएगा. तनु,
Yes.
thank you so much for your time.
Thank
I have written that in case anybody has any further questions, they can write to plbd@plalindia.com.
Absolutely. हम लोग ये
And we,
छोटे
yeah.
छोटे सेशंस भी कर सकते हैं आपके कस्टमर्स के लिए. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने अमित के साथ इंटरेक्ट किया होगा, कुछ लोगों ने ऑलरेडी अल्फा इनसाइट के लिए. तो वी आर हैप्पी टू डू स्मॉलर ग्रुप सेशंस आल्सो, एंड always happy to be talking to PL partners. It was absolutely a delight to be here.
All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Tanu. Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.